Did you know that around 70% of adults have plaque buildup? And if left unchecked, it can lead to serious oral health issues? Crazy, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of plaque and tartar. These sneaky little foes can wreak havoc on your dental health if you're not careful. So why should you care? Well, keeping your teeth clean is not just about a bright smile, it's about your overall health too. Alright, let's talk about the common struggles we face with plaque and tartar. First off, plaque is that sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth after you eat. If you don't brush it away, it hardens into tartar, which is way tougher to remove. Both can lead to gum disease, cavities, and even tooth loss if you ignore them long enough. Signs to watch out for include bad breath, swollen gums, and a nasty yellowish film on your teeth. If you've noticed any of these, it's time to take action. So how does plaque even form in the first place? Well, it starts when the food you eat combines with saliva and bacteria in your mouth. That sticky layer begins to build up, especially if you're not brushing and flossing regularly. Now, the difference between plaque and tartar is crucial. Plaque is soft and can be brushed away, but tartar is hard and requires professional cleaning to get rid of. That's why maintaining a solid dental hygiene routine is so important. You should be brushing twice a day and flossing daily. And don't forget about regular dental checkups. They're key to catching any issues before they get out of hand. Now let's get into the good stuff. How to prevent plaque and tartar buildup. First, make sure you're using a fluoride toothpaste and a good toothbrush. Brushing your teeth for at least 2 minutes twice a day can make a massive difference. And don't forget to floss. It's your best friend when it comes to getting rid of those pesky food particles stuck between your teeth. Also, consider using mouthwash, especially those that target plaque. Another surprising tip? Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can help stimulate saliva production, which naturally helps to wash away food particles and bacteria. And of course, watch your diet. Reducing sugary snacks and drinks can go a long way in keeping your mouth healthy. To wrap it all up, plaque and tartar are serious business, but with the right habits, you can keep your teeth clean and healthy. Remember to brush, floss, and have regular checkups. Prevention is way easier than treatment. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your own dental care tips. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome oral health advice. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and keep smiling.